Chile rellenos are one of my favorite dishes, but today I opted to leave the egg batter out of this and just bake it straight in the oven. And these did not disappoint. They came out so delicious, so cheesy, and what's best, they were so easy to make. Let me show you how I made these. I'm going to be using 5 anaheim peppers for this, but you can use whatever type of chili that you like. And I'm going to roast them, making sure that the front, the sides, and the bottom are nicely roasted. And then I'll be adding them to a plastic bag. And I'm going to cover it and let these sweat for at least 20 minutes. The longer you let them sit and sweat, the easier it will be to take off the skin. And as you can see here, super easy to take off. I actually let it sweat for 30 minutes, but 20 minutes should be sufficient. And I'm just going to start peeling the rest of these. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to start adding some cheese. I'm going to add a mixture of mozzarella and Monterey Jack, but you can use whatever cheese that you like. And I'm just going to stuff each and every pepper with this cheese. And now I'm going to get my baking dish and I'm going to start placing these chilies. The way that I do it, I just flip it and I'm putting the cheese open side down. And now I'm going to get started on the sauce. In my pot, I'm adding in 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of diced green chilies, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, a tablespoon of oregano, 2 minced garlic cloves, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 cup of diced onions. I'm going to just stir this on low for about 15 minutes. And after that, I'm going to add it to another pot. I'm going to use my immersion blender to just break it down a little bit. You don't have to do this. It's optional. And then for my chilies, I'm just topping it off with some cheese. I'm going to add that sauce right on top. And I'm going to top it off with some more cheese. And I'm going to bake this at 375 degrees from 20 to 25 minutes. Just until it's light brown and bubbly and super cheesy. It's looking so good. And this is already done. And this is how I like to serve it, with some beans, some rice. This dish will not disappoint, and you will definitely want some seconds.